Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. We're checking out Pilot Poster today. We've had a few videos already, a walkthrough, a little sales page thing, one on adding your Facebook account. Today we're going to try to add the Facebook app. So we're going to check that out. Here's the home page. All the ad stuff is enabled, so you can see all this. So everything should be working properly. Again, this is a walkthrough. This is the first time I'm trying this or attempting it, so we could run into some problems. Bear with that. So we're going to go here to Settings, Facebook Apps, and let's see. We can add a Facebook app that we have created. So if you have created your own app in the Facebook Developers Console, you could add in your app ID and your app secret and your authentication link, and it looks like it would go and work properly. But I remember on the main Pilot Poster homepage, it said we don't need to create a Facebook app. It said that we can use their apps, so that means I shouldn't need to create one, and we're going to see what happens. It says right here I've got one enabled already as default, Facebook for Android, so I guess we'll just leave that on. Alright, Graph API Explorer, that looks like the one I want to do, so let's authenticate it. Okay, now here it says set visibility to public in the text. Okay, copy and paste this or click on this. So when you click on this, according to this message here, it says make sure you're logged into Facebook before authenticating the app. So make sure you've logged in. I'm logged in. And then authenticate the app. When you click on this, then this is from prior experience because I've done this with FirePoster, Toolstar, OctaSuite, etc. A pop-up window will open. You can choose your permissions, what you want to enable and disable, and then you can hit it. So since mine is probably already chosen and permissions are done from all these other reviews that I've done on, Hootsuite, Buffer. I haven't done any reviews on them, but I've used them. Toolstar, you can watch that review. All these different places that I've done, it should already be on. So we're going to see what happens when I click this. My guess, if it works, it should just open up in a new tab and say it's successful and spit out some code or something. So let's hit this, authorize and copy URL. Warning. Okay, so it looks like I'm not signed in. So let's try that. So now that should sign me in. We've, detected suspicious account activity. Looks like your account has been spreading spam. Okay, look at this. So I signed up with this Pilot Poster and authenticated this app, but remember it took me a couple of tries to add the account because the code didn't spit out properly. You can check that out in the last video. I had to switch from Firefox to Chrome because it wasn't working. So I had probably like 5 or more attempts to do that. So that could be the issue, that I tried so many times within a short period of time. So that could be a problem there, but for you it should work quickly as long as you're logged in, as long as you use like Chrome, or as long as you don't have a bunch of ad blocks enabled. Then it shouldn't be a problem. But anyway, I'm going to have to hit continue and check this out, and I got to go through this little process here. Let's see. We recommend take a few minutes. Okay, so let's review it. Oh, and it looks like there's no big deal. Okay. So let's try this again. Please treat the URL above as you would your password. Do not share it with anyone. So let's copy that. And it says copy and paste the access token in the text area below. So if we paste that there, it says bad signature. So this could be very difficult. Apparently we have some kind of problem with authenticating the app. Therefore, support will have to be contacted, and I will see what they decide to do, if they can walk me through it. But see, now here is a new, or copy and paste this code and get the link. Get what link? This link? Let's try this link. Aha! Access token has been saved successfully. Close this window. Beautiful. So that's what you need to do. forget about clicking on all this stuff because that's just a nightmare. Copy and paste the link, put it in there, and then take the URL. So that's a little confusing because it says copy and paste the access token. Well, for me, I thought the access token would be this, but this is not. You need this thing in the URL here. So take the URL and paste it back in here. It says successful. We're good to go. So let's just see what happens when I hit close this window, and it's done. Close this, and now look at that, authenticated. Graph API Explorer, that takes care of that. So it's real simple. Click authenticate, copy and paste that URL, put it in the next URL. When it reloads, copy the URL back into that code place, hit authenticate, and it should work properly, no problem. I like that. That's real slick. I didn't have to create my own app. I'm using their app, so it is going to really help with my account. And I won't have to worry about creating an app and letting it run and having it expire, etc. So this looks pretty cool. I like it. And that is it. So check out the videos coming up. Until next time.